Updating your payment information on Gmail is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is up to date. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access payment methods. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments and Subscriptions section. You can find this option in the left-hand menu or by searching for it in the settings. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, click on Manage Payment Methods. This will take you to a page where you can view your current payment methods. Step 4. Update your information. To update your payment information, click on the payment method you wish to change. You can edit details such as card number, expiration date, or billing address. Make your changes and save them. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your payment information, ensure that the changes are saved. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information current on Gmail. Regularly checking your information helps ensure smooth transactions and service continuity.